Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw application from LinkedIn. So first, you need to access or download your LinkedIn application and make sure that you access your account. And for example, you actually applied for a job on LinkedIn. You just have to go under the job section, which is located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you click on that, you will see on above, which is the My Job. Once you click on that section, you will see under applied section is your recent applies. So once you click on the specific application that you wanted to withdraw, just click on that and you will see the information that you have withdraw or that you have applied for a job. And then once you click on the job posting to open it, you will see a withdraw application button. But if you cannot see the withdraw application button, then just leave it right there, or just simply click the three lines, or just simply click the three dots located at the top right corner of your screen and send them a private message that you are withdrawing your application. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.